Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share some cool stuff about Yağmur and Barış. But first, could you do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel? It really means a lot to me and helps me out a ton. Okay, let's dive in. So Yağmur and Barış actors who act together in show Kansas Hillary having awesome friendship. It's clear they are super tied both on and off the screen. Yagmo really values Barris as a friend, calling him the perfect friend and showing lots of love and appreciation. Having a buddy like that is super important in both personal and work life. Friendship is like a treasure that gives you sport, happiness, and comfort, especially in tough times. Evil and the Baddies seem to have found that special connection with each other. Yagmur's words show how much they care about each other. Their friendship is not just a for show, it's a real, genuine bond that goes beyond the TV series they are in together. It's awesome to see how their friendship shines both on and off camera. Seymour and Barry's friendship is a great example of how powerful friendship and teamwork can be, especially in the entertainment world. Here's to their bond getting even stronger and them having more fun times together. Whether they are acting or just hanging out. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and listening to my update. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch in the next one. Take care, guys.